I finally made it out of bed and I'm ready to start my day. And I'm still kind of tired, but let's go. Happy Friday. Alright, so if you're wondering what I ended up buying, I ended up going with this little terrarium jar or glass jar to make into the terrarium. And then I also bought a water dispenser at Goodwill. I do wish there was another Goodwill closer, but I don't know of any that are that close other than the one on 441, which I should probably try. I should just go. Should I just go? I'm probably gonna go. I just came out of Goodwill. I ended up getting a second sealed jar. This was $10, and then this one was $5 from the other Goodwill. Two different sizes. The other Goodwill had this bigger in size, but I need to chill. No more. I'm done.